Shaky Shark here, and today we are doing a tool review on a Bunnings kid saw. So without further ado, let's get into this.
Okay, so why would you want a Bunnings kid saw? Well, for one thing, they're really good at sawing through sticks that are about 2 inches thick, as you can see in this next clip.
And now all you need to do is kick it, and it will come down like that.
Wow, look at that stick! Completely snapped in half now. That's all we have today. I give this 2.5 stars from Shaky Shark. Bye!